this video, we'll show you how to add a maths essay task type to your course. Navigate to the page you wish to add the task to, click the green plus icon and select Task. Give your task a name, choose whether or not it's going to be assessed, add any additional instructions should you wish to, then either create new task or copy from existing. In the Create New Task window, select Maths from the Task Type drop-down, then select Maths Essay. The fields automatically populate with an example question. Simply click Clear Task Content to remove these. Once you've added your task, you can set a word limit and whether or not you want to show the word count. Choose the type of symbols that the learner requires access to from their keypad. Add a hint if you like, and any automatic feedback. As a maths essay task requires marking, you'll also need to choose which marking template you want to use. Then simply add your task and save it.